Hello everyone, welcome back Shakanika channel Charlie Translation. Hakanika video nganle yaka translation naga English Shaka Khasi. Haswa bangan sedang yakanika video singapha like yakanika video but ladap himpar subscribe no unta panyo issue yakum kine ki videos. In English, near. Haka Khasi Hajan. Near Hajan. Haka English near. Haka Khasi Hajan. In English, my home is near the school. Haka Khasi kaying jonga kadon hajan ke school. My home is near the school. Kaying jonga kadon hajan ke school. Haka English, my home is near the school. Haka Khasi kaying jonga kadon hajan ke school. In English, far. Haka Khasi jengai. Far, jengai. Kenmau, haka English far, kamut haka Khasi jengai. Jengai lane ba jengai. In English, how far is the hospital from here? Haka Khasi kano kajing jengai ka hospital nangne. How far is the hospital from here? Kano kajing jengai ka hospital nangne. How far is the hospital from here? Kano ka jing jengai ka hospital nangne. In English, north. Haka Khasi shate. North, shate. Kenmau, north kamut haka Khasi kaba shate. In English, Himachal is the state of North India. Haka Khasi ka Himachal kadai ka jilla kaba shate jongkari India. Himachal is the state of North India. Ka Himachal kadai ka jilla kaba shate jongkari India. Himachal is the state of North India. Ka Himachal kadai ka jilla kaba shate jongkari India. In English, south. Haka Khasi shathi. South, shathi. Kenmau, south kamut shathi. In English, Chennai is in the south of Mumbai. Haka Khasi ka Chennai kadon hashathi jongka Mumbai. Chennai is in the south of Mumbai. Ka Chennai kadon hashathi jongka Mumbai. Chennai is in the south of Mumbai. Ka Chennai kadon hashathi jongka Mumbai. In English, here. Haka Khasi hangne. Here, hangne. Kenmau, here kamut hangne haka Khasi. In English, your books is here. Haka Khasi kikot jongpi kidon hangne. Your books is here. Kikot jongpi kidon hangne. Haka English, your books is here. Haka Khasi kikot jongpi kidon hangne. In English, there. Haka Khasi hangte. There, hangte. Kenmau, there kamun hangte. Haka Khasi. In English, my house is there. Haka Khasi kaying jonga kadon hangte. My house is there. Kaying jonga kadon hangte. My house is there. Kaying jonga kadon hangte. In English, up. Haka Khasi shajrong. Up, shajrong. Kenmau, up kamut shajrong haka Khasi. In English, don't look up. Haka Khasi wat kmi shajrong. don't look up. What khmi shajrong. Haka English don't look up. Haka Khasi what khmi shajrong. Kan mau don't look up kamut haka Khasi what khmi shajrong. In English down. Haka Khasi hapo. Down hapo. Kan mau down kamut hapo haka Khasi. In English put it down. Haka Khasi bo hangne hapo. Put it down bo hangne hapo. Remember, put it down kamut bo hangne hapo. What? Kae. Haka English what? Haka Khasi kae. Kan mau what kamut kae haka Khasi. In English, what is that? Haka Khasi kae kata. What is that? Kae kata. Kan mau what is that kamut kae kata haka Khasi. In English, where? Haka Khasi hangno. Where? Hangno. Kan mau where kamut hangno haka Khasi. In English, where is that place? Haka Khasi kata kajaka kadon hangno. Where is that place? Kata kajaka kadon hangno. Kan mau where is that place kamut kata kajaka kadon hangno. In English, see you. Haka Khasi saya kendo. See you saya kendo. Kan mau see you kamut saya kendo haka Khasi. See you saya kendo. In English, we will meet again. Haka Khasi ngin saya kendo biang. We will meet again. Ngin saya kendo biang. Haka English, we will meet again. Haka Khasi ngin saya kendo biang. Parlok ngakerman scam bapila tip bapila nang kato katne lengba kanika video. Takawai jingkat part sungan api bas ngabah like but share ya kanika video. Share ya kanika video syaki parlok jongpi syaki para marjan marpa jongpi nang baki rukin tip kumba pitip. Ya kebam tang hangihi nse kendo haka wipat ka video. So take care of yourself and keep on learning.